Hi guys, Emerald with eXp Realty here, and I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about some of the things that I love and that I look for in a good rehab on an older home. The open house that I'm doing today at 9051 Leaside in Dallas has been completely redone. So these hardwood floors are original to the home, but as you can see, the baseboards, the sheetrock, the windows, all of that is brand new. But what I love about the way they refinished this is the fact that it's natural looking. It's not a high gloss sheen, and you can really see the beauty and the detail of the wood. One of the things that I like to point out as well is when you've got these gorgeous hardwood floors, it's super important to take good care of them. So you're going to want to use really good products, for example, like Bona, flooring products, to be able to take care of them so that they continue to stay this beautiful as you live in the home. Well, it looks like we've got some people coming in, so I'm going to have to wrap up my little video. But before they reach the door, check the kitchen out. It's been redone and it's gorgeous. Have a great Saturday, guys.